Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, here on the ADA chart, we are currently still holding the upper support area. Actually, one of the coins that's holding up much better than others. But I would expect it to also probably test the lower support area, at least the way it's going at the moment. And while this can still be the yellow scenario, most other charts or coins that have followed similar scenarios are now dropping back into their lower support areas here. Overall, this is still seen as a larger sideways range, which started after the price rallied here on the 3rd of February. And we're now in this sideways consolidation. And I mean, we had a rally, first dip into lower support, into, you could say, main support for this range, then a reaction. That was only a three-wave move. We talked about it. Three-wave movements to the upside don't give us clear evidence that a larger rally has started. So the market then continued to consolidate. And this seems to be the blue count. While it could be the yellow one, this wave B, then in the yellow count, is already super extended. Okay, so we have an A wave up, B wave, super extended compared to the wave 2. While this is all possible, considering what Bitcoin is doing, what the other coins are doing, it really seems as if we're gonna test the lower support. At least this just means that we should prepare for a few more downside squiggles. Key support here for the local range, as you might know, is 56.7 cents. That hasn't changed. And we've got some levels above 61 cents, 65 as other support levels above. But yeah, it just depends on which of these scenarios the price now wants to follow. They are both still allowing for upside trend continuation, but also in both of these scenarios, there's no evidence that a low is in, and therefore the local trend is down. And just the depth of the pullback will determine, is it the blue count for a larger wave 2, or the yellow count in which wave 2 already finished on the 9th of February, here at 65 cents, when the price hit the 50% retracement. Normally an ideal target for a wave 2. I mean, this is normally an ideal target for a wave 2. It's just that it hasn't rallied in a 5-wave move afterwards. So all we need to do now is watch for a reversal attempt. And as I said to you throughout last week, without a break above the first signal line, there is no evidence at all that a low is in. So it's this 82 cent level that we need to be watching. All these previous highs, the price tried it several times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then it started to roll over. But again, still holding up quite well, I guess. So looking at the micro count, it looks as if this C wave is unfolding. In the C wave, we're dealing with 5 waves. From the C wave top that actually formed here on Friday, we have an initial decline in wave 1. Wave 2 to the upside, formed a lower high, looks very corrective. Now this could be a third wave down, typically the most aggressive one, but doesn't really look really impulsive, but could go a little bit lower. Then wave 4, which should be a lower high, and one more low. So yeah, that could send us into that lower support region. A break above the wave 2 high at 79 cents would be early indication that a low has formed. But then we also need a break above that green signal line for further confirmation. So an overall, a larger interpretation of the chart is going to be required should the price break below the 56.7 cent level. Because what we don't want in the bullish case is a break below the 78.6 retracement. That's the main risk level there. Yeah, that's overall my view about the ADA chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.